Hello. So to install Chegg Math Solver app, just go to your App Store app here, App Store, and then search for this app. I think it's one of the top apps for solving math problems just by pointing your camera, and this app will recognize the equation and the problem, and you will find the solution here and like possible steps and explanations. So just tap Get and yeah, you'll be able to install this app. Confirm with your Face ID or Touch ID. By the way, the size of this app is 57 megabytes. So that's it. That's the app, and then you just need to wait until it downloads. And then you can just tap open. And then there is the app.